Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a Minecraft cake. First, gather your ingredients to ensure a smooth baking process. You will need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter. Also prepare 4 large eggs, 1 cup of whole milk, and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Don't forget 3 teaspoons of baking powder and a half teaspoon of salt for the perfect rise and flavor. To begin, set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit to preheat while you mix. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and remarkably fluffy. Next, carefully beat in the 4 large eggs, adding them one at a time and scraping down the bowl after each addition. Finally, whisk your dry ingredients, including the flour, baking powder, and salt, in a separate bowl. Now, carefully alternate adding the dry ingredients and the milk to your wet mixture, starting and finishing with the dry. Divide this delicious batter evenly into 3 8-inch round cake pans, which you have previously greased and floured. Bake these layers for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, checking for doneness with a toothpick. Let them cool in the pans for 10 minutes before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. For the iconic Minecraft frosting, gather 2 cups of softened unsalted butter, 8 cups of powdered sugar, and 1/4 cup of whole milk. Also, prepare 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt. First, beat the softened butter until it becomes wonderfully light and fluffy. Then, gradually add the powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, mixing well after each addition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.